Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Myself Aishwarya, and today I'll be giving you the project overview of Godrej Altis by Godrej Properties located in Vastrapur, Ahmedabad. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location and right behind me is the sales office and the actual site. And let me show you the neighborhood. Now to the left side leads you to the 132 feet ring road and right side leads you to the drive-in road. And now before moving further, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where home buyers are directly connected with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike current listing platform, if you do one single inquiry, then your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads you to endless calling. But here in Housey, you are directly connected with the developers because here listing is done by developer and not broker. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home with Housey. In this overview, we'll be discussing about below points like project overviews, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. So let's start. First one is project overview. This project is being developed on approx 3.05 acres of land parcel, featuring 4 towers with G plus 18 floors having 3 and 4 BHK premium residences. Coming to the location part, this project is located near Gujarat University behind GMDC ground in Vastrapur, Ahmedabad, with the distance of IIM Ahmedabad 1.7 km, D-Mart 3.3 km and SG Highway only 3 km. Here you get access to 25 plus luxurious amenities like swimming pool plus kids pool, modern gymnasium, yoga and meditation zone, indoor games room, multi-purpose hall, banquet space and many more. If you are planning to buy a home in Ahmedabad, then I have a strong recommendation for you. Make sure to watch Housey's Rights of Home Buyer series. Many home buyers are not even aware of their legal rights. For an example, if you pay token amount to builder, later on you decide to cancel the booking, then how much money a builder legally can deduct? If after possession you faces issues such as wall leakages, construction defects, then what is the builder's liability? And most importantly, what legal rights do you have as a home buyer? We have explained all these important topics in a very simple and easy to understand manner. So before you buy a home, I strongly recommend you to watch the series at least once. You can find the link to the series in the I button above and also in the description below. With the carpet area of 3 BHK 1560 square feet and 4 BHK 2500 square feet. Now let's discuss the booking process. Token window is open. Client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project details. We'll share pricing and payment schemes. We'll show actual location of the project. And then client likes it, then they can proceed to the EOI amount, which is 5 lakhs. So this was the complete overview of Godrej Altis by Godrej Property, located at Vastrapur, Ahmedabad. If you are looking for more details, you can click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.